Today, I'll tell you the differences in the web search function between Microsoft Word and WPS Writer. When we use Microsoft Word to edit a document, we usually copy the content and open a browser to search for it if we encounter content that we do not understand. And when you use WPS Writer, you can skip this step. WPS Office has a built-in Google search engine in WPS Writer, so you only need to select the text you want to query and then click the Search button in the lower right corner of the suspended shortcut menu bar. Then a browser will pop up automatically, and you'll get what Google has found. If you don't see the shortcut menu when you select the text we want, you likely forgot to turn on the Options button. We can click Menu and Options to get into the Options dialog. In the upper Show area, select Show Mini Toolbar on Selection. Make your work easier with WPS Office.